Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners. Let's go to the prediction for Thursday. Today's data it is showing three bearish warning signal. Yesterday we have one bearish warning signal. As per one bearish warning signal, I specifically pointed out initially fall down, then later it will recover. But what happens is yesterday it has fallen down the same. But today we had three bearish warning signal. This three bearish warning signal, what happens is so for 80% of the time Nifty has fall down towards to minimum 100 points, but the only thing is whether it is going to fake up is going to happen or not. That is we need to watch out, because uh, in in the previous times what happens is it has fall down from straight away from the pre-opening, and then fall down towards 200, then 150, something like that. Minimum 100 points it has fall down. On the other occasion it has fake up some kind of a 30, 40, 50 points, even 100 points also it will go up, then started to fall down heavily on the downside. Minimum, bare minimum 100 points. So minimum record it is there, shown in the previous these kind of data as minimum 100 points it has reached. Whether it is going to stay in the 100 or not, we may not know, but minimum side it has reached like that. So anything goes up, what you undo is like hero zero put option, one small 10 points is advisable to take today. Why? Because if it is taking 10 points it might give you some 50 points to 100 points exit profit you will get if it is fall down heavily from plus 100 to minus 100. But today F&O closing day, so you must have to go with the hero zero as well. Otherwise if you plan on the both side, uh, hero zero also, you can bet the hedging method. Why? Because the warning signal 3 is there in the negative, and the other 3 showing bullish with the volatile. So clearly once again volatile is there. So volatile means we already knew it will be on the roller coaster is possible, specifically today as well. So we want to check how the pre-opening is going to be. And yesterday the positive side target has closed, so we have only negative side target for the weekly. But still, this pending target for the monthly is not too far from 300 points in range only is there. So still Nifty is having potential to go 18,325, still possible as well. So the data is once again showing mixed. On the support and resistance levels, we have volatile level 1, which is 1.13%. So 18,219 above, then only the bullish will take control. It is in the bullish zone. So volatile 2, 0.77, 138, 18,154. Anything below Nifty still in the bearish zone. So but the data is showing that it is in the bearish zone, but still quite good amount of positive numbers are there, 75 point to 133 points. So that is where we need to play little cautiously. Why? Because if the market is opening somewhere around 30, 40, 50 points, we may not know where these numbers, because in between where these numbers the Nifty high is going to reach, we may not know. If it is high is matching with plus 10 points, minus 3 point range on any of these 8 numbers, and then Nifty has a potential to fall down towards to negative side. At the same time, it starts to go towards to volatile, because volatile range we have up to this particular stop loss level, which is 222 points. So it is a big number. That is the reason we still ask to go for a hedging method, minimum 10 points both sides, because the three bearish warning signal minimum average 100 points is going to reach. We knew around maximum times around 80% of the time it has reached there, but the average volatile level, which as per this particular day shows 222. So good numbers on the positive side as well. So better go for edging method on the both 10 points as well. Minimum hero zero, something like that, must have to keep 10 points. So uh, we are expecting towards to the downside, but the downside average is not good number. We have only 0.02, but anything beyond that number, even 10 points negative side is goes means it is in the free fall zone. We may not know whether it will go how many numbers, or it still has potential to recover as well. So this is kind of a weird thing. It gives us a big question mark, so we may not know what kind of level it will go downside, and then it starts to recover. So minimum we are expecting at least 100 points, but still that remains big question today. So play safe, but must have to keep 10 points each, positive side as well as negative side. For example, if Nifty is trading on the previous closing itself, I'm giving you an example. So 18,000 range, if Nifty is there, means you must have to take 18,100 one call option. Even if it goes zero, don't worry about it. But this is the method we need to play. 17,900 put option, 10 points. So this kind of hero zero, if you're uh, buying both sides, then what happens is any side, if it is goes, for example, 222 points, if this goes up, means this one particular call option will give you 100 plus. At the same time, if it is goes unlimited on the downside, and minimum we are expecting 100 points, if it is falls down, means this will give you around 20 to 30 bare minimum you will get, because of the movement it will give. But what happens is it might go to zero, so you will get out your 20 rupees investment within no time on the both side. But if it is goes more than 100, bearish to 200 means on the downside, then this put option will also give you ample amount of profit. But at the same time, we have negative side target, which is little higher on the weekly, 17,638 still possible. If it is goes bizarre like downside and goes and reach this level, means that particular 17,900 put option might go uh, unlimited profit. If it is goes bizarre down like around 10 minutes, it will go 350 plus as well. But you may not know at this point of time how things will go. But we have a pending target. As per pending target, if it is goes reach, definitely it will go minimum 250 plus to 350. So why? Because the price falls heavily means the premium will increase unexpectedly. So it might minimum 250, maximum 350. So let's see how the market is going to, yeah, because even though this 10 points is goes to zero, that is fine. 500 rupees taking risk is advisable. If anyone going for a big numbers, play safe today, but must have to keep 10 points on the both side. If you're taking risk trade, for example, zero zero on the bearish side, 8 and 18,000 P, 18,050 P, those also can take risk. For the high risk traders, 18,100 also take as a hero zero. But still, you must know these kind of days, if it is fall down minimum 100 points, means these kind of hero zero will give you an ample amount of results, positive profit as well. I mean positive profit, which I am talking about. If market only falls minimum 100 points, means this will give you. But at the same time, if you are buying in big numbers, for example 100 points in the put option side, better take minimum 10 points on the call option side as an insurance. Why? Because if it is goes unexpected bullish up to the pivot level, because anything below the pivot level, Nifty will always try to go down. But still, the data numbers are very big in the positive side, 340. So minimum 300, if it is goes like unexpected bullish, then this 100 points will go down, but this C will recover some portion. So play safe. Let's say the market is going to give on the other directions. In the other data which shows par value, anything below Nifty will try to go down, but it is not a big number. But still, the positive target 2 to negative target 2, which itself it has big number around 208 points to 746. So the numbers are very big. So must keep one insurance in the call option side minimum if you are a bearish trader. For example, as I told you, if you are a bearish trader, 100 points you are betting in the put option side. Keep one insurance small, even 5 rupees to, I mean 5 points to 10 points also in the call option as an insurance. Why? Because if it goes bizarre bullish today, unexpectedly, nobody reacts, nobody knows what is going to happen. But if it goes 746 points in the positive, then your put option will go to zero. Then your call option 5 to 10 points will give you unexpected happiness to you. Some minimum 400 it will go. So play safe, must keep an insurance if you are a bearish trader today, or else if you want to play safe, keep 10 points in the both sides and play safe. Other data which shows anything uh, below 18,455 Nifty will always try to go down, but the numbers are in the positive. The closing still expecting to close in the positive, but we may not know at this point of time. We need to wait. But as per the three bearish warning signal, we still have minimum downside. 100 points is possible to reach. We need to watch out how things is going. Let's see, maximum times around 80% of the time we have saw whenever we get three bearish warning signal, the market has minimum fall down 100 points. So today it is going to be a very good uh, results to see if it is works as per the previous datas. Then we can play whenever we get three bearish warning signal, means one put option in hand. So but as per my conclusion, you must go with the hedging method, play safe. Let's see how the market is going to give us on today. The summary I would like to show you here. Negative rate is not having big number, but as per CPO still bullish. Yesterday also CPO is in the bullish side, and we have saw after a fall down, Nifty has gone up from the low to some decent number 100 points. So likewise, it's still possible, but today we have three bearish warning signals, so must have to keep both side minimum 10 points at least. Best way to play safe, which is hedging method, um, due to the volatile. Let's see how the market is going to give us on today. Thank you.